Welcome in Ohouse. My name is Rachel and welcome to my home. I draw inspiration from a lot of different creators that I see online, either on Instagram or TikTok. It's really weird because sometimes I get a pretty hard hyperfixation on what I want in my room or in my space. So I can imagine, for example, even in my living room, I'll be like, this wall is really long. What can I do with that space? And I look at a lot of different creators to see what they do. And I'll narrow down based off of what they've done on their style to determine what I really like. And then from there on, I'll have a more of a concrete idea on what to do with that space. So I am, on paper, a product designer. I studied graphic design in the past for school, so this kind of really influenced the things that I purchase or the content and the media that I digest. I would lean towards something more like MCM, mid-century modern, but at the same time, I'd love to add color into my room. I want to make sure the room feels very vibrant. I would tell my past self to just take your time to develop that style and collect all the pieces that you would like.